Hi, this is Glenda, and today I'm opening a box from new Direction Aromatics. I got some apricot kernel oil for lotions, and then I got an essential oil, an orange essential oil. So 5 volts is the most volts that they have. I would have preferred a 10 volt because that's what I've used before in cold process, and it worked for orange essential oil. But in the reviews, some people say that the 5 volt has worked well as well. It just smells like oranges. I have not been able to find a fragrance that smells like oranges without that artificial candy smell. This smells really good. Pumpkin patch. Oh, I might be able to use it this weekend. I can smell the spices on it. It smells like a pumpkin pie to me. Watermelon. It smells really good. It smells like watermelon candy or watermelon bubblegum. I like it. We'll see how it behaves in soap. This is spearmint essential oil. Usually this doesn't smell good out of the bottle. At least the one I bought before, it didn't. This one doesn't smell bad. It smells like spearmint. I wonder if it's combined with something. I don't know. Chocolate. When I made the Forrest Gump soap, I wanted a chocolate fragrance, and I didn't have one. So I used a chocolate mint, but this is what I wanted to get. That smells like chocolate, but like milk chocolate, not, or like a chocolate mousse dessert. That's what it smells like to me. And one last one. Baby powder. I wanted to buy this for a while because I just like the smell of it. I mean, it smells just like that, just like baby powder. It'll be good for combinations. I also bought babasu oil, and I bought these jars. Hopefully they haven't broken. They're frosted 2 ounce. I think they're 2 ounce jars, which I'm gonna put some lotions or deodorant in. So that's it. So I made an order from Lone Star Candle. I really like this one. It's the second time I'm purchasing it. It just smells like true peppermint to me. And it stays in cold process soap, and it doesn't cause any discoloration. And I also got the lavender, which is also the second time I purchased this one. It's soap safe, and it doesn't cause any discoloration either. It behaves really well, and to me it smells like very similar to lavender 4042. Yeah, I like it. Now this were from their sample sale. This is Scanaloop. So this is one that I'm going to have to try it in soap and see how it does. As of right now, it doesn't strike me as Scanaloop or as a sweet or fruity scent. It's a very good smelling scent out of the bottle, but I wouldn't say, oh, this is what Scanaloop smells like, but I cannot place it either. Let's see, cotton candy. I have a cotton candy well, I have cotton candy twist from wholesale supplies, so I wanted to try just a regular cotton candy. Yeah, I can smell sweet notes. Not overly sweet though. So again, I may have to try this in a product before making up my mind about it. Lime. This I thought would be good to do some blends, like for fresh combinations. Now this smells like lime. You know, like lime candy of sorts. So I like this. And this is cranberry chutney. It's a type. I think it's from Bath and Body fragrance, and if not, I'll put it on the screen. Thought it'd be a good for the fall. I like this. It sort of reminds me of like a grape scent a little bit, but overall I like it. So I have one more in the box. It's Bubblegum, and it smells just like bubblegum, like the pink bazooka one. And I'm gonna test to see if it stays or if it fades in cold process soap. So I did get to use the fragrance in a soap shortly after, and it did stay in soap. However, it changed a little bit. It became a little bit more of a soft, sweet scent. Not as much as bubblegum, but like a candy. So overall, it was good. Anyway, this is it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.